guys, welcome back to Spice Fry. Today's recipe is our version of making everyone's favorite, the McVeggie burger at home. So follow us as we show you the method. Let us first prep all the veggies that will go into the patty. You'll need finely chopped onions, finely chopped French beans which you have to steam, finely chopped carrots which you have to steam, boiled and mashed potatoes, and boiled and mashed green peas. Add some oil in a pan. Cook the onions in oil. Add salt. Ginger garlic paste. Cumin powder. Red chili powder. Mango powder. Garam masala and haldi or turmeric powder. Add in the steamed carrots, the steamed French beans, the mashed green peas. Give it a good mix. Add in the mashed potatoes and mix them all together. Now while the mix cools down to room temperature, let's get the batter for the outer coating ready. Mix maida, rice flour and corn flour with salt and water till you get a semi-thick consistency. We'll show you two ways to get your patty ready. First is to spread the mix on a flat surface with about half an inch of thickness and use a greased cookie cutter to get the desired shape. Then you coat the patty in the batter first and then the cornflakes. The good old hand shaping way is our second method. As for the coating, follow the same steps. Batter first, cornflakes next. Deep fry the patties in oil till they turn golden brown in color. Now let's assemble the burger with mayonnaise, lettuce or cabbage, the patty, cheese, onions and some more mayo. A homemade McVeggie burger is best enjoyed with crispy homemade fries, the recipe to which you'll find in our description below. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more. Check it out and don't forget to subscribe to Spice Fry to get more easy recipes for all your favorite foods.